Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is pumping once again today. I do think we're going to see another all-time high this week. So I hope you guys are strapped in. The only way we don't is if we have a bearish weekend, but I have pretty high hopes. I think we are going to see multiple all-time highs, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin, our favorite coin on this channel. First off, guys, I got to say Bitcoin Hyper, if you guys haven't already aped into this, it's a Bitcoin pre-sale that is building a layer 2 on Bitcoin. They claim to be the fastest layer 2 Bitcoin chain. And guys, they've raised over $22.5 million. So if you guys haven't already gotten a bag of this, I don't know what to tell you. You're genuinely sleeping out on this one. Go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link down below where you guys can go ahead and ape into this. Very simple. Just click the link down below, click buy with crypto, boom, bada bing. You could also buy with Solana if you guys want to buy with ETH. Again, very, very simple. Okay. And obviously you could use Phantom, Soulflare, whatever you guys want to do. But let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin is up 1% today at 123,000. We did briefly hit 124 a couple hours ago, which is pretty cool to see. Now, on the weekly, guys, we're up 5% as well. And on the monthly, guys, we're up 10%. Okay, pretty freaking cool. And obviously in the year, guys, we're still up 98%. Now, as we approach November and the end of October, it's going to get very interesting, right? So for us we've for the majority of the year been up 100%. For that to continue, we're going to have Bitcoin push to about 100, 160, 150, 180s, right? Again, if that is to continue. I'm not saying it's guaranteed to continue, but I'm just saying, you know, it's cool to play these games sometimes. Now, this is pretty cool. So the number of addresses holding more than 100 Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. Whales are accumulating, okay? Pretty freaking cool. And we're going to talk about Jack Dorsey in a bit as well, guys. Before that, DDC Enterprise raises $124 million to advance Bitcoin treasury strategy. The target is 10,000 Bitcoin by the year end, which is very, very cool to see. And let's actually see 10,000 Bitcoin. How much does that cost? So 10,000. So that costs, that's a massive number. That costs 30. Wait, hold on, let me do this real quick. Jesus Christ, it keeps moving. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 0. Oh my God, this is giving me chlamydia. It's a big number. Anyways, on to the next one. Sweden proposes removing Bitcoin capital gains taxes for payments, which is pretty cool. And they're also considering a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Now, we have talked about Sweden and their whole crypto moves recently, but it looks like they are really going forward with it, which is very bullish to see. Now, Jack Dorsey Square launches a new Bitcoin payment solution with no fees. This is literally going to be changing Bitcoin forever, guys. Once people are able to use Bitcoin at, shops and at restaurants and whatever, once it's instant and has no fees, I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? A lot of people are going to be starting to use Bitcoin more and more to spend their money. Now, some more bullish news across the pond. UK retail investors will be able to invest in Bitcoin ETNs from today. Very freaking bullish, and yeah, pretty cool to see as well. Some more bullish news, guys. The Fed is going to be cutting interest rates again this month. It looks like the probability of that is 96%, which a lot of us already kind of knew, but hey, pretty cool to get some more confirmation. Now, guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.